Planet X returning is linked to periodic mass extinctions on Earth, according to what a university study claims. According to research published by a faculty member of the University of Arkansas Department of Mathematical Sciences, Daniel Whitmire, periodic mass extinctions on Earth, as indicated in the global fossil record, could be linked to a suspected ninth planet. Whitmire's new research, published recently in monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, says that as yet undiscovered Planet X triggers comet showers linked to mass extinctions on Earth at intervals of about 27 million years. Though scientists have been looking for Planet X for 100 years, the possibility that it's real got a big boost recently when researchers from Caltech inferred its existence based on orbital anomalies seen in objects in the Kuiper Belt, a disc-shaped region of comets and other larger bodies beyond Neptune. If the Caltech researchers are correct, Planet X is about 10 times the mass of our Earth, and it could currently be up to 1,000 times more distant from our Sun. Whitmire and his colleague, John Matisse, first published research on the connection between Planet X and mass extinctions in the journal Nature in 1985, while they were working as astrophysicists at University of Louisiana at Lafayette. Their work was featured in the 1985 Time magazine cover story titled, "Did Comets Kill the Dinosaurs? A Bold New Theory About Mass Extinctions." At the time, there were three explanations proposed to explain the regular comet showers: Planet X, the existence of a sister star to the Sun, and vertical oscillations of the Sun as it orbits the galaxy. The last two ideas have subsequently been ruled out as inconsistent with paleontological record. Only Planet X remained as a viable theory, and it's now gaining renewed attention. Whitmire and Matisse's theory is that Planet X orbits the Sun, its tilted orbit slowly rotates, and Planet X passes through the Kuiper Belt of comets every 27 million years, knocking comets into the inner solar system. The dislodged comets not only smash into the Earth, they also disintegrate in the inner solar system as they get nearer to the Sun, reducing the amount of sunlight that reaches our Earth. This is what their theory says. In 1985, a look at the paleontological record supported the idea of regular comet showers dating back 250 million years. Newer research shows evidence of such events dating as far back as 500 million years. Whitmire and Matisse published their own estimate on the size and orbit of Planet X in their original study. They believed it would be between 1 and 5 times the mass of our Earth and about 100 times more distance from the Sun, much smaller numbers than Caltech estimates. Matisse has since retired and no longer publishes. Whitmire retired from the University of Louisiana Lafayette in 2012 and began teaching at the University of Arkansas in 2013. Whitmire says, "What's really exciting is the possibility that a distant planet may have had a significant influence on the evolution of life on our Earth." He says, "I've been part of this story for 30 years. If there is ever a final answer, I'd love to write a book about it," he said. And the abstract says, "The 27 million year period in the fossil extinction record has been confirmed in modern databases dating back 500 million years, which is twice the time interval and the original analysis from 30 years ago. The surprising regularity of this period has been used to reject the Nemesis model. A second model based on the Sun's vertical galactic oscillations has been challenged on the basis of an inconsistency in period and phasing. The third astronomical model originally proposed to explain the periodicity is the Planet X model, in which the period is associated with the perihelion precession of the inclined orbit of a trans-Neptunian planet. Recently, and unrelated to mass extinctions, a trans-Neptunian super-Earth planet has been proposed to explain the observations that the inner Oort cloud objects Sedna and 2012 VP113 have perihelia that lie near the ecliptic plane. In this letter, we reconsider the Planet X model in light of the confluence of the modern paleontological and outer solar system dynamic evidence. This source is from University of Arkansas and it's on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.